In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move element in an image in Lovart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select parts of an image and reposition them cleanly so your layout looks intentional and polished. First, open your browser and go to the Lovart website. This is the platform where we'll work, and everything happens right in the canvas. Give the page a moment to load so all the editing tools are available and responsive. Once you're in, open an existing project or create a new one. If you already have a design you're refining, select it from your dashboard to continue where you left off. If you're starting from scratch, a fresh canvas works perfectly. Just pick the size that suits your final use so your composition stays consistent as you move elements around. With your project open, click directly on the image you want to edit. This tells Lovart which layer you intend to work on. You should see selection handles or an active outline indicating that the image is selected. If multiple layers overlap, click again until the correct image is active. This ensures the upcoming tools affect the right content. Next, choose Edit Elements. This opens Lovart's Intelligent Element Editor, which analyzes the image and identifies distinct pieces inside it, things like objects, shapes, or text embedded within the image itself. Depending on image complexity, you may see outlines or labels that show what can be adjusted. Give it a second to process. A brief pause is normal as it prepares the editable parts. Now, click on the element you want to move and drag it to its new spot. Use your mouse or trackpad to reposition it smoothly across the canvas. As you drag, look for alignment cues and spacing that keep your layout balanced. If precision matters, zoom in for a closer view so you can place the element exactly where you want it. Small, steady movements usually produce the cleanest result, and pausing briefly lets the tool snap to smart positions if available. If you change your mind, simply move it again or use undo to revert. For natural-looking adjustments, consider how the element relates to surrounding content. Keep margins even, align edges with nearby objects, and maintain visual hierarchy so the most important items stay prominent. When you're satisfied, release your mouse to drop the element into place. The editor will maintain the change, and you can continue refining other elements in the same view if needed. That's it. You've successfully moved an element inside an image in Lovart, keeping your design neat, intentional, and on brand. Keep practicing with different images and layouts, and this will quickly become a fast, reliable part of your workflow.